Hi, this is the second part of my Avril 14 tuition video. I guess I'll just crack on with it. So, stay puffed holding it up for us this time. Alright, so just a few things first. I didn't know how to notate the harmonics in this because there's using a mixture of sort of right hand, what they call artificial harmonics, if you like, and left hand ones as well. So I've notated it like this. You'll notice that I've got right hand written next to some of these, and some of them are blue as well. So the right hand ones are blue, but just in case you can't see the blue, I've also written right hand, well, RH, and then I next to it, which just means you actually get it with your index finger, if you like. Okay, so when it says 4-1 here, there's quite a lot of these. I just didn't really know how to notate it other than the way I've notated it. I've recorded this once before and it took longer than 15 minutes. I wanted to get under 15 minutes, so I'm doing it again. So I'm not going to explain the harmonic series this time. But where it says 4/1, that's around about here. Basically what I'm referring to is it's the fourth partial, that being the first, that's second, that's the third, that's the third, and that's the fourth, which would normally be at the 5th fret, but it's on the 6th fret here because of the capo. But because you get it with your right hand, I couldn't really mark it to the fret, so I've just put that, and that just means that basically. So 4/1 just means it's a sort of harmonic that's above the sound hole. Okay, what else? So I think that's all there is on this line. Also there's some harmonics at the 20th fret. Alright, we'll just go through this bit first. So it's a little bit like it is in the first version, but as well as plucking those two, you've got this harmonic above the sound hole there, the 4/1, and you're picking all of these at the same time. That's how you get the sound of this piece, is by the harmonic's kind of important, but it's important that they doubled with the real note as well. That's how its kind of sound comes through. So next we've got the 11, 9, oh sorry, wait a minute, 15, yeah, sorry, yeah. So the diamond thing obviously means harmonic, like it is in books. Just like in the last video, the open fret, if you like, the 0 has a 1 in it because it's both the 1st fret and it's the open one, so that's how I've notated it. So okay, on to that next bit. So we're on 15th fret there, and we're playing the 0 on the G. I'm not going to explain it all because I'm assuming you can all read tab. You got that 13th fret harmonic there, which you get with your left hand. So we got, first of all, we got just like that. Okay, cracking on. It's got the PIMA markings, which is PIMA, just to help you out, but it's mostly the same all the way through, like pretty much, sort of, doesn't matter, but you'll get to see a lot of PIM. That just means thumb, PMA, and then the I is getting got with the index finger there, like in the first one. Okay, so next one. What are we on here? Keep trying to read it backwards. So we've got above the sound hole again, that 4/1 on the G string this time, at the same time as the 11th fret there, and the 9th. You kind of have to press down pretty hard to get these harmonics, with the index, it does take a while to get used to it. So altogether we've got. So this part is where we've got the 13th fret there. At the same time, it's getting this above the sound hole 4/1 harmonic, and then straight away we pluck in the 13th fret harmonic there. So we've got. Okay, so next bit, which is just played. It's pretty much the same as in the other one, but I've shown the bit after when it repeats later. It's got the high bit, so I'll just show exactly what I mean. So that's how it's played. First time you play through it when you've got the harmonics. But then later on, you've got this, and you've got to get this by splitting the string in half at each point, so you've got to follow the harmonic down. Okay. Just can't do it. Oh, I need to read it now. Right, 11 Tanya. That's preceded by this 13 here, so which you get by doing that. So before all that, you got this. Then my nails aren't very good at the moment, is my excuse today. Right, so on to the next bit. Right, so last of all, I've just put the first bar of the part later. It goes like this. So I've just put the first part because it's quite difficult, but the sort of first part of this, the first sort of 4 executions are pretty much the same through all the repetitions, so you'll learn most of the rest of the parts if you learn this, and it's just a good starting point to learning the next bit. So here we've got 0 there, the 8 and the 10 there, the left hand harmonic. And then the 20th fret harmonic with the right hand at the same time, just playing those two. So you're actually getting this with your middle finger, well, you're plucking it with your middle finger and getting it with your index if you like. So we're on. That's those 2 bits. Then up to here, from there to here. So that's these. So that's the 4/1 harmonic above the sound hole again. You can't see it very well, but so we've got the 0, the 9, and the harmonic above the sound hole and between them. Should have mentioned probably that this is quite hard. So excuse me. So then from there we're just going up to there with our little finger and straight up. It's the same thing we're doing with our hand. And then after that it's right hand harmonic on that B there, 20th fret. These are all sort of half beats, and then that's the 16th there, so it's actually played like, you know how it's played because you know the tune obviously, but just play. this lesson. If you're watching this, then I guess you're already supporting me, so thanks a whole bunch for doing that. If you're there. I'm hoping to do more stuff like this. I really enjoy doing this. I haven't really done it properly for years, but I'd like to be able to find a way of taking it more seriously, if you like. And I guess this is a way of doing it. I've just been putting it off for a long time because I'm very shy. Okay, so thanks very much for watching the video and being part of this, and yeah, thanks, bye.